Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kate here and today I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So if you're having trouble logging into your WhatsApp account and you haven't received any verification code, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps. First and foremost, make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated. For that, open Play Store on your device and now search WhatsApp, and in here if your WhatsApp app needs to get updated, you will see an update option where I have open option. If you tap on there, your WhatsApp will get updated, and after that check whether your problem is solved or not, and if still not, again open your setting and now go to app, and in here search for WhatsApp. When you see WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp and then again go to storage and cache, and in here type on clear cache. This will remove the temporary files linked to your WhatsApp. After this, again check for your now if your problem is still not solved, we have one more solution for that. Now on your device, open Google and then search for WhatsApp support, and in here at the top you will see WhatsApp Messenger support. So if you tap on contact us, you will be directed to this page. Again scroll and in here provide your phone number and your email. Once you're done with that, again you will be asked how do you use WhatsApp. So according to you, tap on any of those options. Here I'll go with other. After that, in this empty box that says please enter your message below, you have to type your problem. Here I will write I am not able to receive a verification code on my mobile number. Once you're done with this, simply go and tap on next step. Now again tap on send question and your question will be submitted to WhatsApp support center, and then the WhatsApp will email you back and help you with your problem. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. If you have further more questions or any comments regarding our video, please feel free to comment down below, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.